In this video, you'll learn how to block unknown numbers on your Pixel 9. By following these steps, you will gain control over incoming calls from unknown or private numbers, enhancing your call experience. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 9 and locating the phone app on your home screen. Once you've opened the app, look for the three-dot menu icon positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon, and from the drop-down menu, select the option labelled Settings. Within the Settings menu, search for sections that pertain to blocked numbers or spam protection. It is important to ensure that your device has network access at this stage. This section will allow you to manage incoming calls effectively. Take a moment to familiarise yourself with the available options. Next, locate the option specifically designed to block calls from unknown or private numbers. You will see a toggle switch next to this feature. Turn on the toggle to activate the blocking function. When enabled, this setting will prevent calls from any numbers that are not saved in your contacts. It is essential to verify that this setting is correctly activated. By completing this step, you will significantly reduce the number of unwanted calls you receive, leading to a more pleasant phone. After enabling the block for unknown calls, you may want to manage your blocked list. To do this, navigate to the blocked numbers list within the settings. Here, you can review the contacts you've blocked and make any necessary updates. You have the option to manually add or remove numbers at any time. Regularly checking this list is advisable, as it ensures that only the unwanted numbers remain blocked. By maintaining this list, you maintain control over your call settings. Once you have reviewed and managed your blocked list, your setup for blocking unknown numbers is now complete. You can feel confident that your phone will filter out calls from numbers you do not wish to receive. This functionality is particularly useful in an age where spam and unwanted calls are prevalent. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.